setup. Thank you guys so much for joining us and letting us take a look.
No problem.
Yeah,
Our pleasure.
awesome. And so what kind of vehicle is this?
It's a Ford Transit Connect
Okay,
cargo van,
okay,
just off the lot.
okay.
And we decided to go with a cargo van versus the one with the seats,
Okay, gotcha.
just to give us more storage and more space, floor to ceiling.
Okay, gotcha. Cool. Well, yeah, let's just go ahead and take a look right now. That'd be great.
All
Cool.
right.
All right, thanks.
Okay. Hi, welcome to our little van. I'll show you around how we put this together.
Perfect.
Everything that you see here was pretty much what we had at home when we bought the van, and we just sort of put it together, and it's working out pretty well. There's a few adjustments we'd like to make.
Okay. And how long have you guys been traveling in this?
This is our second winter,
Okay.
but we've taken several smaller trips with it.
Okay.
So 3 months last year and 4 months this winter.
Okay.
So we do like each other a lot.
Yeah.
It's kind of small.
You have to like each other.
Yeah, because how long is this vehicle?
Ooh.
I don't know.
It's
It's a long wheelbase.
Okay.
It's the Ford Transit Connect long wheelbase.
Okay, gotcha.
This mattress is a full-size mattress.
Okay. And what kind of mattress is that?
It's
Is it like
one,
a foam or just a
yeah, I guess it's a foam. It's one that we had on our bed at
It's an
home.
extra mattress we had at home.
Oh, no kidding. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So you really did this very cheaply then, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have a twin mattress.
And then we just have a bed frame from home that we had, an extra one at home also. And that was
bed
it.
frame.
Oh,
That's it.
nice. Okay.
And then we have these crates,
So we had these crates at home,
Mm-hmm.
and they support the
the bed,
bed.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
but then they open from the end.
Oh, nice. I haven't seen bins like that before.
Yeah, and so that's what we really liked about them, because we thought, okay, how are we going to do this?
Yeah.
And then, so Al and I each have one of these for our clothes. This is our cooking gear
Okay.
container. It's got our stove and our pots and pans and, miscellaneous stuff.
What kind of stove do you guys use for cooking?
It's an MSR.
Okay. Is that the white gas one?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I used to have one of those for backpacking. So.
Yes, it's we
It
had
comes in here.
Oh, yep. Yep.
we had a
Totally
small backpacker one,
Uh-huh.
but it kind of died.
Yeah.
He'd had
Oh.
it since 19.
73.
Oh, gotcha. So you put in some good miles with that.
Yes, it did.
Yeah, that's
I
perfect.
kind of miss it, but
Yeah.
this
But
works.
this works okay.
Very good.
And then we have tubs. So on this side for our food,
Oh, okay. So all your dried goods and stuff.
yeah, dry goods and stuff.
Gotcha. Now, do you guys have refrigeration?
No,
No,
we've
not
discussed we might get one someday, but right now we don't.
Okay. Do you use a cooler or anything?
Yeah, we have a cooler.
Sometimes.
Okay. Gotcha.
Luckily, right now we're traveling with our neighbor who has everything, and so
Perfect.
he lets us put stuff in his refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Yep.
So,
Gotcha. Totally.
So
All
we,
right.
we've kept it very, very simple.
Yeah, that's perfect.
so, and then what we have inside. So, Al always says I have too many pillows.
Yeah.
So I have lots of pillows.
Okay.
And then we wanted to travel incognito sometimes, so we have
Oh, so you have a
blackout
shade cloth.
curtains,
Oh, nice.
and you can put those and Velcro them.
Oh, very nice. So then you are separated from the front, and nobody can see you looking in.
Right,
And,
exactly.
and when the light's on here, you can't even see it on the
Can you
outside.
see it? Oh, that's awesome.
And when day breaks, it's dark.
It's dark
Okay.
in here. It's just very dark.
Nice. Okay, that's good for sleeping.
Yes, it is.
I'm in a tent, so as soon as that sun comes up, I'm
Yep,
like,
you're
oh,
right
yeah.
there.
I'm awake. Yeah,
And
absolutely.
we were tent campers.
Okay.
For a long time.
For a
until
long
we
time.
got this.
Until we
Okay.
got this. so.
Gotcha. Yeah, this is an upgrade for sure. So.
And then what's nice about the van is that it's got lots of holes. So what we bought is a cargo net
Mhm.
with the small netting. We started with it over all of us, but we didn't like waking up with this in our faces.
Okay.
So we just doubled it and then hung it in the back, and we just throw stuff up in there.
Okay. Kind of a catch-all.
It's a catch-all.
Okay.
And what
It's
we
your
did
kitchen table.
Yeah, exactly. One thing that I did do that I like is that Al didn't want to put stickers on the van,
Okay.
keep it white, so I buy magnets
Oh.
and
okay.
I put them on the ceiling of the places that
Oh,
we've
that looks
been.
really cool.
So
And so then when you wake up, you're just staring at those.
yeah, I can stare at all the cool places I've been.
That
So
is awesome.
I also took puck lights and
Okay.
put a puck light on each side for us for like night lights or
Okay.
for reading.
Okay.
If we want to do that.
Oh, that's great.
And then what's nice about these is magnets
Yes.
and magnet hooks.
Yep. And what is that? Is that a curtain of some sort?
Oh, this is my jacket.
Oh, your jacket. Oh,
So
nice.
I can
Okay.
hang my jacket up here or, you know, sweatshirt or whatever I want to put up there.
Okay.
We also do have a tent. If we're going to be in a place for a long time, we can set up the tent.
If we feel like
Oh, okay.
tenting. We have a tent and an air mattress.
Okay, gotcha. And so at this point, are you guys very comfortable in the bed though, or would you prefer the tent?
Oh, no, comfortable in the
Yeah.
bed.
Yeah, I would imagine.
When
so
we got it, we thought we'd use the tent more often and
Yeah.
just on rainy days use the bed, but
yeah,
it's just so convenient.
It's just
Yeah,
nice. We
like-
don't have to set up or take down the tent. You know, it's like, oh, I can just get up and we can get in the car and the van and just take off. And we don't have to set up or take down the tent and blow up the air mattress and get the sleeping bags out. And so this
and
is,
that's what I'm dealing with right now with
Yeah.
my tent is that I feel like I need to go to a little slower pace because I can't be that spontaneous because
Right.
I'm tired of setting up. I'm tired of repacking the car.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
So we really like the van. a
Yeah,
lot.
that's perfect.
Also, during this trip, we got solar cells
Oh, nice. Okay.
because our phones would die in the middle of the night or in the afternoons.
Uh-huh.
Solar cell that produces 18 watts in theory, but in practice we find that it produces about 13 or 14 watts.
Oh, nice.
And then we each have cell phone batteries,
Okay.
so we charge that during the day.
And what name brand is that?
This is called Thunderbolt Solar.
So it collapses rather nicely. It doesn't take up much space. So just,
Oh, wow, that's really tiny.
yeah, very
Wow.
tiny.
And
Takes
you
up
put-
no space.
Yeah, and you put that in your dashboard, I'm assuming.
Right. When we're going, we'll have it in the dashboard, and it can be charging the batteries,
Okay.
getting solar while we're driving also.
Yeah, that's perfect. And so you don't have a separate battery, you just charge up the devices as
Well,
you need.
before we got this, we did go ahead and we got a
It's
Yeti,
the Yeti battery,
Okay.
the 500.
a 500 watt hour battery,
Okay.
but we're finding that we really don't need it.
Gotcha.
Unless
Okay.
we get a refrigerator or something else.
You guys have a cooler then that you keep on filling ice with? I think I already asked that, but
We don't. We actually.
we probably
don't-
avoided the answer before.
Yeah.
But, we have a cooler. We seldom use it.
If we do buy something, we use it that day.
okay, yeah.
So.
You kind of learn to figure out what like lasts longer. and-
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So we
Oh,
get
that's a slick cooler.
we get a
So-
lot of fruits and
It's a little one. It does.
but it's long and it's
It's actually
short.
yeah.
designed.
Right now we don't
it's
have much in
designed
it.
for beer.
Oh, okay.
And a
Do
friend
you
of
mind opening that up real quick? Well,
look at our cooler. There's
Yeah.
not much in here. We got some tomatoes.
yeah.
You know, we've got some water that helps keep things cool.
Yep. Oh, that's perfect.
But it doesn't seal well, and that's the big problem is that we would like to buy a refrigerator this shape,
Yeah.
so it fits under here. So we're in some design processing
Okay.
right now.
Yeah, because that's a really low profile, which is super nice. Mine's much taller, so
And that
yeah.
would be,
That's perfect. So it just slides right under your bed again.
yeah. And so we have another tub
Mm-hmm.
that slides in that we have food on this side too. So,
Okay.
you
and we've
know,
got tubs in the back also.
And what year is this Transit again? I'm sorry.
2020.
2020. Okay, nice.
Okay, so then we have cooler. We have two more tubs that we use for either storing water,
Mm-hmm.
miscellaneous tools, that kind of thing.
Okay.
We just today rearranged a few things because we've been using our wetsuits a lot more.
Ah, so make it
And
more
so
accessible.
our yes, because there's a dead spot in between,
Mm-hmm.
and those were in this middle tub.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
So now we switched things around and put the things in, like
First
we're not
aid
using
kit.
shoes
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Thank God.
The pumps for the
Oh,
air
yep.
mattress, extension cord, tools,
Yeah.
that kind of thing that we don't use very often.
Gotcha.
And
Okay.
so that can go right in the middle there.
Nice. And then you have your wetsuits more accessible.
Yes.
Right.
That's perfect. And you're using the wetsuits for snorkeling. Are you doing other things as well?
Mostly
Snorkeling right
snorkeling.
now.
Okay.
We love to snorkel.
What we found is that the water, we can actually fit this. This is 3 gallons.
Okay.
And then we have some 1-gallon jugs. We just got a 6-liter bottle. These
wow,
all
that's
fit
huge.
here. All fit back here. We have a foldable table that we can put here. And then we've got those backpacker chairs, which are set up over there.
Yeah.
That fit into these bags. So if we decide to tear them down,
Yeah.
they fit here and we can just hook them up.
Perfect.
But we do find often when we move, we don't even tear down the chairs. We just throw the chairs
Chairs
back
in the back here.
Just right in the bed.
and put it right back out.
Now, these are the chamois towels.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And I was a swim coach for a number of years, and we always used these. They dry quickly. They don't take up much space.
Yeah.
And so, and then we have our little clothesline back here. So if we've got wet things, we can hang it up here.
Are you liking the chamois then? Is that?
Oh yeah, I've used them.
Okay.
We've used them for a long time.
That's perfect. Okay.
And you can get those at Walmart or.
They dry you right down.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can actually almost dry my hair completely dry. You just wring them out and hang them up, and then they'll dry and be ready to go. What I added this year was I got one of those tension rods that we can actually put here and here.
Oh, okay.
And then I have clamps that clamp down the curtain, the shower curtain.
Oh, nice.
And this makes it a little private vestibule, you know, like for changing clothes if you want.
Okay.
It was actually what we were using for a restroom.
Okay.
Before we got the new one.
Okay, yeah. So show me the new setup you use for the restroom.
Okay.
Everybody always wants to know this. So.
Okay, so.
But we just hit all our garbage in there.
Just
well, that's okay. Yeah, you don't have to open it up.
Okay, that's good. So we have a 5-gallon bucket with a toilet seat.
Okay.
That you can get at Walmart.
Okay.
That has a lid, which is nice. And then this is Giga Tent. It's a pop-up pod.
Okay.
There's no floor in it.
Oh, okay.
And it's you don't have to do anything. You just take it out of the bag and it pops up.
Oh, nice.
By itself.
Oh.
But you do have to go to YouTube to figure out how to fold it up and put it back in the bag.
It's just a little bag about like that. It's flat like this. So it really collapses. But there's an art to it.
Okay.
Yes.
Fair enough.
So there's several videos on YouTube that show how to fold it up.
Okay.
Like a 7-year-old can do it. So
was it expensive?
I saw it online for like $25.
Oh, you guys put any kind of like cedar chips or paper bedding or anything in the toilet or anything, or just single use?
Yeah, we're new at this, and at the moment we're not.
Okay, gotcha.
We're looking into
doing that. The compostable more.
Yeah, there's so many different options.
Right. So usually we're at spots where there are either pit toilets or kibos, so this is relatively new for us. So,
what's your favorite gadget that you brought on this trip?
Well, Al's has to be his solar array.
For me, the little solar thing. Yeah. Okay. It's fun.
That makes sense. That's geeky and awesome, and everybody needs it.
And for you?
I love this.
Yeah.
This makes me very happy. And my insulated cup. So I have an insulated cup that keeps my drinks cold.
So you've been down in Baja for how long?
Well, we left home 5 weeks ago.
Okay.
5 or 6
Where's home?
weeks.
Des Moines, Iowa. We've been in actual
Baja.
The state of Baja, or at least northern part of Baja, for
about
3 weeks.
3 or 4 weeks, going on 4 weeks, I think. So.
And what's been your favorite spot so far down in Baja?
Oh, that's hard to say.
Right.
Well, every place we've stopped
has
been
so beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
We've been able to snorkel on the East Coast, and this is our first time on the West Coast
that we camped. Yeah.
That we've camped, and being able to see the whales, is just fabulous. And
I've been really surprised how many beaches. We were the only ones there.
Okay.
I always thought of Baja as so much tourism, and it would be just crowded with people, and especially the northern part.
Okay.
A lot of beaches. We were all by ourselves.
Guys, I hope you have a great rest of your journey. Thank you so much for joining us. Yeah, we really appreciate it.
Well, anytime.
Our pleasure.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour today. Thanks again for watching our video. If you liked this video today, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, show us some love. What do you guys think of the Ford Transit tour? It's a very short vehicle, could you come down to Baja on something like this? Could you travel with 2 people in something this small? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, so long and safe journeys.